Welcome to the game room.
Okay. All right. I think we're ready now. Hi, people.
Is it? Is it doing a thing?
Yes, I see us now on
Is it?
the Twitch.
Okay. It looks like it's doing a thing.
Hi, guys.
Finally. All
Hey.
right.
Hey.
So,
So this is Game Room. We're gonna play
hey.
Pokemon Leaf Green. This is
Yes.
Jess, and this is Jesus.
Hi.
And
We had
that's
a little.
cat.
Let's
Get into
kidding.
this.
We had a little technical difficulties getting this game started.
OBS
But,
hates me.
I mean. So, hey, Jess, I have a story for you.
Okay,
We
what's
were
up?
trying to do, but
Yeah, tell me the story.
yeah. So,
Okay.
just trying to get it on my. I want to get a confirmation on here, but it's showing up on.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's on Twitch. It's fine. We're
Okay,
good.
cool.
We're good
As long
to
as
go.
all right, as long as one of us has a confirmation,
Yeah.
it's not fucking loading on my end. But all right, cool. So, so me and the Bay, we have adult monies now, right? Because we have
Uh-huh.
adult jobs.
Right.
And
It's
so
nice, yeah.
because of the quails and the birds and we have a lot of critters, and sometimes I get home at 2 in the morning, and she comes home at 7, and we have the garden, whatever
Yeah.
projects and artwork, etc. We it's hard to clean sometimes. So
Yeah.
once a month, we usually have somebody come over, and we have someone to clean the house.
Nice.
Yes. So, we had a coffee mug that was left over in our room. They put it over in the front area, like a little desk area that we have, like where we put our keys and our sunglasses when we come in and out of the front door.
Right.
And in that coffee mug
Mhm.
was some clamps. These
Clamps?
small purple clamps with the bell on it. Small enough clamps. These are
Wait, clamps
because
as
fuck
in-
you. Like
as
like
in
little
pinchies?
little pinchies.
Okay.
Because fuck you. I don't have to explain myself to you. These are nipple clamps.
Uh-huh.
And the person that comes and cleans the house, they just thought they were bird toys. So we have so many birds.
Oh.
Because bless their heart,
Oh.
they just thought it was bird toys. And so they're like, oh, so you don't forget your little bird toy. There you go. Because obviously they ring the little bell.
Right.
And I'm like,
They're-
yeah,
that's what they are.
that's what it's for.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's what that's for.
That's almost as bad as finding the whole drawer full of dildos or vibrators.
No, we have
or...
a box that just says don't open this.
Oh, okay. I have a drawer. I mean, people have drawers. Anyways, that's crazy story, Jesus. Yeah.
This is you said full of.
Huh?
You said full of.
I said what now?
A few is
I'm
okay,
so
but
sorry. I
full
don't
of?
understand what you're saying. What did I say?
Full of is just weird.
Full of what?
Sesame Street toys.
Oh yeah, that. Yeah. Mhm, 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 mhm.
There's a ball over here.
Hey, get that ball. You found a pearl. Woo, we got a pearl.
Yeah.
It's just bird toys. Yeah, just
Bird toys. Bird
Just-
pearl bird toys.
Just bird toys.
Definitely bird toys.
Only.
Because
Yeah.
you are a fighting type. That was very effective.
Yeah.
Almost super effective.
Whoa. Every now and then, I will say, okay, fine, since you told that story, every now and then,
Mhm.
on Mitch's side of the bed, my lovely husband, on his side of the bed, he has a bunch of cat toys,
Nipple clamps?
actually.
Oh, okay.
They're actual cat toys, and they're in his bedside table drawer,
Yeah.
and one of them, and when he opens up the drawer, you just hear tweet 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 like a little bird noise. So the cats come running when
Sure.
they hear that, and then it's a whole thing, and we're like, oh no. So he actually does have cat toys. Yeah. That's all he has in the drawer.
We do have drawers of bird toys.
Yep.
Legitimate. Like
Yeah.
we have
See, and that's all
3
that was.
drawers of bird toys.
There was just bird.
Well, we
toys.
don't have a drawer of toys. We have a bag and table of toys.
Fair.
Because spice and everything nice.
Fast. I mean, perhaps there's a closet with
Fuck
some
you.
Things in there, contraptions in there.
So, chat, why
Perhaps.
don't you type your personal fucking...
What kind of toys do you use?
Are you Pokemon and
This is-
Yu-Gi-Oh?
Yeah, we're playing Pokemon right now, and yeah, this is what we do. This is what we talk about when we play Pokemon. So wrong.
Speaking of the subject of Pokemon and fucking, did you ever see that
And fucking.
fucking? Did you ever read that comic where it's like the two people about to fuck, and the chick goes over to the dude and it's like, "Do you have protection?" The guy's like, "Yeah," and pulls out a fucking Charizard card.
I like that. Oh no! We need to do another repel! Immediately! Which, by the way, we spent a lot of money just getting all the potions and the repels and everything.
Yeah.
Because we were like, screw this! We don't want to do this forever.
I just fucking wasted that repel because I could just fucking
Well,
done that.
that's fine.
Fight me!
I'm feeling a bit faint.
We're getting fucking good at Ghastly and Cubone.
Oh? Oh? You know Cubone is one of my picks.
I know. That's why I said and a Cubone.
Yeah. Cubone, 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 Cubone.
What are you gonna name your Cubone?
I don't know. Do I want to go cute and sweet, or do I want to go dirty?
Sounds like dirty. The episode fucking started that way.
Could just name it Boner.
Pretty good name.
Boner, go!
What do I want to name my Ghastly?
Ghastly. Ghastly. Woohoo! Super effective.
What do I want to name Ghastly?
I don't know. What do you want to name Ghastly?
I first thought was just gas, and I was like, that's stupid.
My poisonous
Rick.
gas.
Should just name him Rick James.
Rick, Rick James, bitch!
What's the fuck? Oh, Pikachu is definitely not the Pokemon for this fight.
No, we need to
Oh, well, hold on. Brick Breaker, though. Let's see. Right, don't kill me, dude. Okay, electric attacks are weakened. Whatever. I'm not doing electric attack. I'm
Fine.
doing Brick Breaker. What's that? Starts with an E. Elizabeth? No. Fuck. What's her name?
It started with
Carol.
an E.
Carol Basket.
Oh, Carol Baskins.
Baskins.
Yeah.
There we go. I don't think that can fit in there.
Tiger King. Carol Baskins. She's the devil.
Heal them. Fuck. How did the song go? Didn't tell me. Didn't happen. killed him, whacked him.
Hey, Captain Poop!
Hey, poops.
Hey, Captain Poop! We're playing some Pokemon!
Captain Poops, what should we name a Ghastly? We're debating between Rick James and Carol Baskins. Baskin Robbins.
Baskins! Carol Baskins! Yeah, I think I'm gonna name my Cubone Boner. Huge ass!
Huge ass.
I like it. I like it. Let's name him Huge Ass. Oh, Pokemaniac. Herman. Oh,
Man.
you have a Cubone.
Okay, we gotta switch.
Got a Cubone. Big Dickish. We need
Sure,
to
Big Dickish.
heal Big Dickish too. A little bit.
Yeah,
Really,
think
we
Big
should
Dickish
heal
will
all
fit.
of them, but
we're almost at the center.
how dare you?
And water.
Water pulse.
Let me spit water at you.
Pretty much.
Hey, you know how your mom died? You're about to.
Oh! Wow! Jesus! Oh my
What?
god! That's so mean.
What?
That's so mean.
I didn't say anything.
You did! I heard you!
You can't prove it in a court of law.
I could show them this recording.
You can't do it. I'll burn your house down. Oopsie. Wrong button.
He
really-
threatened me. I have it on record. Thank you,
Oh.
Poopy!
I
Clip that shit. Clip that shit. I'll burn your house down. Oh, God. Big
Look,
boy!
I got a rat-a-tat, and they're afraid of nothing.
Oh, God.
And then you're an electric attack. Let's fucking go.
Woohoo! Because we... yeah, right?
Hey, there you go.
There we
Just
go.
burn your house down for the insurance money.
I don't know what you're talking about. I would never do that. Never. It's on recording now.
You
and
just-
I have it in
You see Jess on the
perpetuity.
news tonight.
I would never do that.
Big boy.
Fraud is no joke.
Wait, what's the joke?
Fraud?
Oh.
Fraud.
They said Prague is no joke.
Prague. Yeah, Prague is
Like
also
Prague
no
metal's
joke.
no joke? I mean, it's not, but okay. I mean, I didn't know you were a Prague fan, but alright.
I mean, I'm a connoisseur of a lot of things.
Anyway, can to see you, Prague,
Yay!
man.
We're at a Poke Center. That's good.
Yeah.
We need to heal our Pokemons. Yes,
Yes.
Nurse Joy. Heal them babies.
Heal the babas.
So
Alright,
we can go and attack more people.
let's go beat up some children.
Woohoo! Oh.
Hey, this mountain air is delicious. That's fucking. Don't talk to me like that, old man.
I
Don't show me your
I don't
ass.
Wow. He
This
just wants
is
to
fucking
show
cool.
off. He's like, look
Yeah.
at my glutes. I've been working out.
Look at my gluteus max.
I can make a bounce. I can make a dance. I can twerk like a maniac.
Jess, did you prepare that?
No.
I feel like you've had that in your bag, in like in your pocket, and you were just like waiting for like, when the fuck is Jesus gonna talk about an ass?
Nope. I would never do such things. I
you
don't
just look at-
prepare for anything.
Like you just look at Mitch and you're just like rehearsing that in your head.
I don't know what you're talking about. It's funny now because he actually met my husband.
Mhm. He's real.
Finally.
Unless you hired someone to pretend to be
Oh
him.
my god, no.
The story continues.
Why would I hire? Okay, yeah.
I don't know.
You know what? I hired the same
troll
person
me?
to be in all of the same pictures with me, in all of these different outfits, and all of these
Dude,
different
I don't know what you
days.
do with your money. Like, people are fucking weird. There's people that have diaper fetishes. I don't fucking know.
Wow. Are you kink shaming?
No, I'm just saying it's fucking
Okay. I'm making sure. You said weird, so I felt like you
weird.
were
Isn't
kink shaming.
bad. Weird isn't bad.
Whoa. Okay, bye.
It's just different.
But no, he's real. He's my
Hashtag
husband.
no, don't king shame.
Lee was there the day that we got married.
Look, I don't even know if Lee's your real sister.
We look alike. What the hell?
What? I can hear you over the fact that I think Lee's not your sister.
I'm.
The fact that you look like twins does not change anything.
The fact. Okay, when I was younger and she was also younger, starting out real bad. When we were both younger and I was a lot skinnier, we looked so much the same that they were always like, people were always like, "Are you twins?" And, no, we're not. No. So sorry, we're not twins. I don't know what to tell you.
This is the camera. Let's go get some fucking ghost.
Woo! The Pokemon Tower. Do 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 do. La 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 la. Uh-oh, is that Brady or whatever his name is? Our rival.
Yeah, alright. We got it.
I don't want to fight
Hey,
him. Yep,
bitch.
it sure
Hey,
is.
Brady. Hey, ass
We named
butt.
him Brady because we're
Yeah.
like, what's the worst name?
Hey, ass butt. What brings you here? Is your Pokemon dead?
No,
I think, what was the story? His Rattata died?
I don't remember.
That's why he's here?
I don't know, maybe.
You can't, at least you can make him faint. Let's go.
I don't-
He said, let's
Yeah,
go.
he did say let's go. He's an edgelord.
Edgelord. Pidgeotto. Alright, let's fucking go.
That's fine.
Pidgeotto.
But your toes gotta get
Let's
slapped.
Little.
Okay.
Let's slap a bitch.
Boom.
Le boom.
Take that up your pipe and
Le herp
smoke it.
and le boom.
Le boom and a super effective and you're out. You didn't even get a hit in. Bitch.
Ooh, let's level up if I've
I
ever
just
seen one.
threw that shade at you.
He's going to use a Gyarados.
Oh my god. Okay, well that's actually a really scary Pokemon. I may or may not have actually gotten scared of Gyarados when I was younger.
You know how I'm not scared of Gyarados I am? Big boy.
Fair. He's
Out-
awesome. So
Bring out the biggest Pokemon you got. I got the littlest one.
yeah.
That's how not afraid of Gyarados I am. Oh,
What was that?
oh.
We're not
You
afraid,
have a gigantic fucking dragon?
but he
here's a
totally
little rat.
intimidated.
Yes. But don't worry, I have Shockwave, which
Shockwave.
never misses against a flying water type. Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, is this a one-hit kill? Is that what I hear?
No.
What the fuck? I thought it was gonna be a one-hit kill.
No.
Shit. Now I'm a little worried. Ah.
Oh shit.
Okay.
That's a
Well,
lot.
Pikachu go.
Yeah,
Alright,
I was
Pikachu go
about
back.
to say- I was about to say, don't be so cocky. Jesus,
Hey.
you're being so cocky.
I can do whatever I want. Okay. Oh damn.
Oh my god. Oh good. Good.
I'm gonna use Thunderbolt because
Yeah.
fuck, I need to damage it.
Yeah.
Alright,
Need to
Gyarados,
really hurt
fucking
it.
stop. Stop.
There.
Stop.
Jeez. We might want to do a potion on our boys.
Let's see. One sec. Who's he gonna throw out? Growlithe.
Growlithe. Oh wait, yeah. Squirt. Even though it's Squirtle now, but still, it's still
Squirt.
Squirt.
Always gonna be Squirt. Squirt.
I'm
Why
not.
you gotta
I'm
intimidate, bro?
Not, I don't know. They do.
Gotta intimidate, bro. Yeah, water gun. Because Bubble doesn't do that much damage like I thought it did.
Water gun does more.
Epitui. Yeah. Super effective. Epitui. Are you gonna burn me with your ember? It's not even effective. It's Epitui.
A patooey. A
Epitui.
patooey on you. I spit on you.
Spit on you. Spit.
This is how much I don't even care about you. A put.
Too. Oh, you're gonna put on an
Ivysaur,
Ivysaur?
nice.
Don't worry, I got a fucking Golbat. And the name is Alak.
Zubat.
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 Zubat. But it's Golbat. But it's Zubat.
No. Alright. Our one got Tak. Who knows
Okay.
Aerial Ace? One of them knows Aerial Ace. Is it Butterfree?
Yeah.
Okay.
Butter.
Sleep powder. No, because I'm a bat and I don't sleep.
I don't sleep. I'm nocturnal.
I am the night. You're a bitch.
Take that.
Take this.
Kadabra!
Kadabra. Nope, we're gonna keep our
Zubat.
Zubat because we have a dark attack, and I believe that does a lot of damage towards psychic type.
Nom 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 nom.
Nom 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 nom. Yummy. So delicious. So yummy. So delicious.
Nom, 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 nom. Oh no, not
Confusion.
confusion.
Don't worry. We're still strong.
I know.
One more bite. Go nom 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 nom.
Ha! Take that, Brady.
Take this. Fuck you, Brady. And your dad doesn't love you.
You stinker.
You're a stinker.
That's okay. I took your lunch money. $900 worth. Whatever. Well, I'm glad you got a Cubone. I'm gonna get one too.
Yeah.
I bet there aren't any left. Okay.
What? What?
A Marowak.
Well, let's go heal our Pokemon.
Yeah.
And oopsie, my
No,
bad.
no,
Yeah, yeah.
no.
And I guess we're gonna have to catch a Ghastly and a Cubone next time because
We gotta
It's-
take a quick break.
yeah, I'm gonna take a little quick break.
But we'll be
So-
right back.
Yep.
And technically, this is, if you're watching on YouTube's, this is a wonderful channel of ours. All of our links for our friends and everything is down below. Please like our stuff, subscribe to our stuff, and we will be right back.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
ウェルカムトゥザゲームルーム。